Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what's the story of those twinkling stars and constellations? Today, we're diving deep into the celestial world to unravel the history of stars and their constellations. We'll explore their birth, life, and ultimate fate in the universe. From the earliest observations by ancient civilizations to the cutting-edge science of modern astronomy, we're taking you on an awe-inspiring journey. So hold on, stargazers, and join us on this fascinating journey through the cosmos. Our story begins billions of years ago in the seemingly empty expanses of the universe. The universe was not always as we see it today. In the beginning, it was a hot, dense soup of particles, primarily hydrogen and helium, swirling around in a sea of energy. This frenetic stage of existence is popularly known as the Big Bang. It's not an explosion, but rather an expansion, an unfurling of space and time that kick-started the universe as we know it. As the universe expanded and cooled, these particles began to clump together, forming clouds of gas and dust. These aren't the kind of clouds you would find on a rainy day, but rather cosmic clouds of immense scale and complexity. They're called nebulae, and they're the celestial nurseries where stars are born. Now imagine these nebulae, these vast clouds of gas and dust all swirling together under the influence of gravity. Over time, pockets within these nebulae began to condense and contract under their own gravitational pull. As they compressed, they grew hotter and denser until finally at their core, nuclear fusion began. This is the birth of a star, a process that takes millions, sometimes billions of years. This nuclear fusion is what makes a star shine. It's the process that converts hydrogen into helium, releasing a tremendous amount of energy in the form of light and heat. It's the same energy that warms our planet, that allows life to exist. Stars like us have life cycles. They're born, they live, and they die. But their lifetimes are incomprehensibly long, spanning billions of years. Some stars burn bright and fast, living only a few million years. Others, like our sun, burn steadily for billions of years. And so, from formless gas and dust, the first stars ignited, becoming the ancient architects of the universe. As stars filled the skies, early humans on Earth began to notice patterns. The twinkling lights above were not random. They formed distinct groups, which we now know as constellations. These celestial patterns were not just mesmerizing to look at, but they also served practical purposes. Ancient civilizations, with their keen observations and rudimentary tools, began to chart these constellations, turning the night sky into a celestial map. For instance, seafarers of antiquity used the stars as a compass, guiding their vessels through uncharted waters. The North Star, or Polaris, held a special place in navigation due to its consistent position in the northern sky. But the stars were not just guides on the open seas, they were also timekeepers on land. Ancient farmers relied on the stars to track the seasons, planting and harvesting crops according to stellar positions. The Pleiades star cluster, for example, signaled the start of the agricultural season in several cultures. Some of the earliest recorded constellations still captivate us today. Orion, the Hunter, is a prominent constellation that was recognized by cultures across the globe, from the ancient Egyptians to the Aboriginal Australians. The Big Dipper, part of the larger Ursa Major constellation, served as a celestial clock and compass for the Chinese. The stars also sparked the imaginations of our ancestors, inspiring myriad myths and legends. Constellations were seen as divine beings, heroes, and creatures, their stories etched into the night sky. The Greeks saw Hercules, the hero, in the stars, while the Inuit saw the shape of a caribou in the constellation we know as Cassiopeia. Stars became guiding lights for our ancestors, inspiring myths and shaping cultures. They looked to the stars for direction, for time, and for answers to life's mysteries. And as we'll see in the next segment, this fascination with the stars gave birth to the science of astronomy. As civilizations advanced, so did our understanding of the stars. The birth of astronomy as we know it today can be traced back to the ancient Greeks. It was these early philosophers who first began to view the universe as an orderly, logical place that could be understood through observation and reason. The Greek scholar Ptolemy made significant contributions to our understanding of the cosmos. His work, the Almagest, was a comprehensive treatise on the apparent motions of the stars and planetary paths. This work became the cornerstone of European and Islamic astronomy for over 1,000 years. However, it was the Arab astronomers who truly pushed the boundaries of our celestial knowledge. They developed sophisticated observatories like the one at Maragha, where they made detailed observations and calculations. Their careful study led to the discovery of many new stars and the understanding of the precession of the equinoxes. But the real game-changer was the invention of the telescope in the early 17th century. This invention opened up a whole new world of discovery. Galileo Galilei, an Italian astronomer, was one of the first to use a telescope to observe the stars. His observations of the moons of Jupiter, the phases of Venus, and the countless stars invisible to the naked eye were revolutionary. With the telescope, astronomers could now see beyond the naked eye, peering into the vast expanse of the cosmos. They could observe the movements of celestial bodies with unprecedented accuracy, leading to the discovery of new planets and the realization that our Earth is not the center of the universe. The telescope was not just a tool, but a symbol of a new era. It represented the transition from simply observing the skies to actively exploring them. It signified the shift from mythology and speculation to science and fact. With the power of observation, our celestial understanding expanded beyond our wildest dreams. The stars were no longer just distant points of light, but worlds and systems waiting to be discovered. The birth of astronomy was truly a monumental leap in our quest to understand the universe. Fast forward to the present, where the study of stars has reached unprecedented heights. The science of astronomy has evolved by leaps and bounds thanks to technological advancements and our ceaseless curiosity. Today, we are not limited to ground-based telescopes. We have space telescopes like the Hubble and the soon-to-be-launched James Webb, which allow us to peer deeper into the cosmos than ever before. These wonderful pieces of technology have opened up a whole new world of exploration, free from the atmospheric interference that hampers ground-based observations. Our understanding of stars has also grown exponentially. We now know that there are different types of stars: red giants, white dwarfs, neutron stars, and even the enigmatic black holes. Each of these celestial bodies has its unique characteristics and life cycle, contributing to the vibrant tapestry of our universe. And then there are galaxies, vast cosmic neighborhoods, each housing billions of stars. Our own Milky Way is just one of an estimated 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. The sheer scale of it is mind-boggling, isn't it? But perhaps one of the most exciting developments in modern astronomy has been the discovery of exoplanets. These are planets that orbit stars outside our solar system. Some of these exoplanets are in the habitable zone of their star, where conditions might be right for life as we know it. The possibilities are endless and tantalizing. Our journey of discovery is far from over. With every new telescope we launch, with every new observation we make, we peel back another layer of the cosmic onion. We are constantly pushing the boundaries of our knowledge, reaching out to the stars, striving to understand our place in this grand cosmic scheme. Today, stars continue to illuminate our quest for understanding, their secrets now within our grasp. As we gaze into the future, the stars still hold boundless potential for discovery. We continue to stand on the precipice of cosmic understanding, looking out into the infinite expanse, filled with anticipation and curiosity. But what does the future hold for star study? Well, it's as limitless as the universe itself. As we continue to refine our technology and expand our knowledge, the stars might reveal secrets we've yet to even consider. We might discover new constellations, perhaps even civilizations, hidden in the far reaches of the universe. Advancements in telescopic technology will undoubtedly provide us with a clearer, more detailed view of the cosmos. This will enable us to delve deeper into the mysteries of stellar evolution and the physics of the universe. Imagine for a moment what it would be like to have a telescope that could observe stars in other galaxies as clearly as we can see our own sun. That could be our reality one day. And let's not forget about space travel. In the future, we might not just observe stars from afar, we might visit them. As space exploration technology advances, stars and their surrounding planets may become our next frontier. In the grand tapestry of the universe, we continue to trace the threads of stars and constellations, forever in awe of their celestial dance. From ancient observers to modern astronomers, our journey through the history of stars and constellations has been nothing short of stellar. We've traced the origins of stars from cosmic dust and gas to the dazzling celestial bodies we see today. We've ventured into the past, uncovering how our ancestors interpreted these lights in the night sky, drawing patterns and stories that have endured through the ages. We've seen how the birth of astronomy transformed our understanding, turning celestial objects into subjects of scientific study. And we've looked towards the future, imagining the exciting advancements that await us in the field of star study. As we continue to unravel the secrets of the cosmos, remember, the universe is vast and full of wonders yet to be discovered. If you enjoyed this cosmic journey, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more intriguing explorations into the universe. Until then, keep looking up.